Hi friends, I got a lot of requests from you to make regular Portuguese lessons. Yes, now I am going to put regular Portuguese video lessons in this playlist. The delivery language is English and we will go from zero to hero. My name is Nikes Sapai and I am your friend to help you learn Portuguese. O meu nome é Nikes Sapai e eu sou o seu amigo para o ajudar a aprender português. If you noticed, I say o meu nome é. O meu nome é. My name is. Then I keep my name. If you want to say your name, you can use the same pattern. You can simply say o meu nome é, then your name. For example, o meu nome é Pedro. O meu nome é Sunita. We need to say this to introduce ourselves, right? Don't worry much more about the grammatical or whatever thing right now. We will work on it later. For now, if you want to say your name, just say o meu nome é. My name is Nikesh and I am your friend to help you to learn Portuguese. Let's start with something good. Bom dia, good morning. Boa tarde, good afternoon. If you notice here, we are using two different words to say good. Bom for dia and boa for tarde. Why? Let's change dia and tarde to amigo and amiga. Now you can say bom amigo. Pronunciation is a bit changed, right? Bom dia, but bom amigo. Don't worry, we will talk about this later. For now, if we say bom amigo, good friend. And if we say boa amiga, also good friend. But here, amiga is female. We can say that we use bom for the masculine noun, as amigo is male and we can say masculine noun. Amiga is female or we can say feminine noun. That means we are using bom before the masculine noun and boa before the feminine noun. Let's change again the noun. Bom livro. Boa caneta. Here you can see that to say good book, we are saying bom livro. And to say good pen, we are saying boa caneta. So, livro or the book is masculine noun and caneta, pen, is a feminine noun. Yes, you are correct. Livro, that means book, is a masculine noun. And caneta, that means pen, is a feminine noun. So the lesson today is that in Portuguese, every nouns are either feminine or masculine. Yes, of course, some are neutral. We will talk about it later. Let's go back to dia and tarde. Bom dia. So dia is a masculine word? Yes, dia is a masculine noun. So we are saying bom dia. And tarde is a feminine noun. And so we are saying boa tarde. Similarly, boa noite, good evening or good night. Here, noite is also the feminine word. No worry for now. We will talk about feminine and masculine in detail in our next video. For now, remember that in Portuguese, every noun is either masculine or feminine. Some can be neutral. And we use bon to say good for the masculine noun and boa for the feminine noun. Bon dia. Dia is masculine. Boa tarde. Tarde is feminine. Bom amigo. Amigo is masculine. Boa amiga. Amiga is feminine. Bom livro. Livro is masculine. And boa caneta. Caneta is feminine. In the previous lesson, we have learned about the masculine and feminine nouns and how we use bon and boa to say good. Let's learn about the nouns and articles in this lesson. O pai, the father. A mãe, the mother. You can see here U and A. Pai is a masculine noun, so we use article U. And mãe is a feminine noun, so we use article A. Now, let's change pai to livro, that means book, and mãe to caneta, that means pen. Now we can say o livro, the book, a caneta, the pen. Yes, you are correct. Livro is a masculine noun and caneta is a feminine noun. So we say o livro, a caneta. What if they are plural? Let's change them to plural. Os livros. As canetas. Here, when the noun is plural, the article is changed. Or we can say article is also plural. Now we are clear that when the noun is masculine singular, we use article u, and for plural, we use us. Similarly, if the noun is feminine singular, we use article a, and for feminine plural, we use article as. Now, let's change it again to the professions. O cozinheiro, the cook. Os cozinheiros, the cooks. A cozinheira, the cook, female cook. As cozinheiras, the cooks, female cooks. The learning of the lesson is that in Portuguese, articles are used according to the gender and the numbers of the noun. When the noun is masculine and it's singular, we use article u. And if it is plural, we use article us. Similarly, when the noun is feminine and singular, we use article a, and for the plural, we use article as. Remember, these u, us, a, and as are called definite articles. Let's see some examples. O filho. Os filhos. A filha. As filhas. O médico, os médicos, a médica, as médicas, o copo, os copos, a faca, as facas, o prato, os pratos, a mesa, as mesas. You may be thinking, yes, I can understand médico is masculine and médica is feminine. But how to identify the gender of the objects like faca, prato, mesa, and so on? Don't worry now. We will discuss about it in the next lesson. Thank you for watching. Keep watching and thank you for following. See you in the next lesson.